The most effective social channels for dealers really are the ones you would think, right? We find that there's a lot of success on Facebook and certainly YouTube. You want to have a strategy for that as a dealer for sure. But across the gamut, review sites really are also social networks. It's a chance for consumers to engage. So dealers need a strategy on all of the top review sites. We actively help dealers manage really about 20 networks on any given day or week, and we find that when you're actively managing multiple networks, you're going to rank higher in organic search, which oftentimes dealers can reduce their PPC budget. So you kind of got to know which sites are going to move the needle, but also be active on multiple ones, we found. And we're really open to doing audits for dealers and actually giving them a customized report to tell them what would work in their market.